Want 40% more free travel? Transfer bonuses are the secret. A transfer bonus gives extra airline or hotel miles when you move points. Banks and partners run limited promotions. Common bonuses range from 20 to 40%. Example, a 40% bonus turns 50,000 points into 70,000 miles. That extra 20,000 miles can fund an upgrade or an extra trip. Bottom line, transfer bonuses multiply your points value quickly. First, watch partner transfer partners and your card issuer for announced bonuses. Second, confirm award space exists before transferring points. Third, combine balances from cards and wait for the highest bonus window. Remember, transfers are often irreversible, so double-check partner terms and timelines. Quick action example. Wait for a 40% bonus, transfer 50,000, book a 70,000 award. Track offers, act fast, and enjoy up to 40% more free travel from the same points.